start. Okay, so I'm start from here, Visual Studio. So at Visual Studio, I do create new projects. Okay, and when I create new project here, and I already select language, and you can select language here. Okay, I select C++, then empty project. All right, and hit next. And let's just call project 1 is fine. Okay, then create. So once here, right here, so I'm going to right click it and new item. So I'm just going to, don't change the name, that's fine. Okay, and that. Okay, so all right. So when I finish this, I'm just going to hello world. Okay,
Okay.
hello. All right. So when I finish, and I was able to build it. And I was able to debug without debugging, then that's it, right? All right.
Yeah.
So the thing is this, okay? I need you to help me to set out something here too, okay? So let me see where I need you to set up. Yeah. Uh, I hold on. Let me see. Where is the help? No, no. Hold on. No, here. All right. So I don't know whether you can help me set up these. Otherwise, I go back to college to do these. So you see, I was able to, when you do the manage layout, so I was able to set to vertical and horizontal. So if I have two program, so if I have two program, okay. So let me close this one and let me pull out any one of my program pop out. Okay. So let me show you another one. So if I have two or three programs, I can set up these. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you can do it, fine. If you cannot do, that's easy thing. I can do at I can ask Elsa to give me that thing that's pause and I do this easily. Nothing easily. So that part, and let me see. Also, I need you to make sure the student have line number. See, I have line number.
Oh
And
yeah, line. Yeah, the line. Yeah.
yeah, so you make sure you have line number, and that is here. Let me see. That's tool. Let me sure that what is that? Tool option. No, option. Okay, and that one is in the text editor. Text editor. Okay, and all language. So you need to make sure you have word wrap and line number.
Oh, word wrap and line number.
Yeah, otherwise every semester I set up, every single semester I set up myself. But since we are here, why don't you help me that?
Okay, let's see. Hold on. So let me.
Uh-huh. So I'll send you the video anyway. All right. So
Yeah.
you need word wrap and this. All right. So now let's go to Visual Studio. So I'm going to close this one right now. I do have another one, introduction programming, and I do let students do Visual Studio project or Visual Basic project. So I want to start it. It's okay. So you create a new project here, and that one is a Windows Phone app project.
You know
Okay.
what? It's finished installing now, so I could come up to that C++.
All right. C++. Mm-hmm. Let's do the Visual Basic. How about that? Okay. Then go back to C++. Is that okay? So when you start it, let me go back. Okay. Let me go back. So when you create new projects here, I want to whether you can see Visual Basic. Yes or no?
Yeah, Visual Basic.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So I need you to look for something here. Say it's Window Phone app right here. You see that?
Hold on a second. Oh yeah, there's Windows Form app.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. I click around. So Window Phone app. You see that? They're right here, right? Can you click next? Then doesn't matter name. It's okay. Doesn't matter name. Okay. All right. So for these, can you help me these? All right. Can you do me a favor here? First, you say window, reset window layout. Okay. Yours window layout is already fine, and you need to have this toolbox pinned it. Pin the toolbox.
Okay, so let's see. How do we get the toolbox up there?
On the left hand side.
Yeah, how do you see? It's not showing, but oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, toolbox is like I click the toolbox. It's showing.
Yeah. Then it was like that, right? You click
Yeah.
it, you click the toolbox, and you pinned it. I need a toolbox to be pinned.
Okay, it's pinned now.
All right. So once you pin it here, and also I need you to have a Solution Explorer and solution and property. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4 screen.
So I have Solution Explorer
And property.
and properties.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's asking for an update for Visual Studio. Should I just ignore that?
Okay. Probably ignore. I don't know. Well, I didn't have that. Okay. So can
Yeah.
you? Yeah.
I'll just ignore it then.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, so I have Solution Explorer and
Uh-huh.
Properties. Those two
Okay.
windows.
Yeah, and that's good. That's good. All right. So I still have another favor need to ask you. Go back to Eclipse. I go back to Eclipse right now. Okay. The
Eclipse.
things. Okay. Sorry. Um. So can you see? I'm going to go back Eclipse to ask you to help me set up word wrap because Eclipse word wrap is strange. Okay. So, but if not, that's okay. I can set up. I'm showing you right now. Okay. So you click on Eclipse, and it is in where? Let me see. I forgot. It's in help. Okay. It is in help. All right. And it is in install new software. It is in new software. Okay. Then and it right here you need to add. Okay. And add, you need to add a link for that. And let me text you right now. Let me text you.
Oh,
Luckily we have text. Luckily we have chat. Go see the chat right here. Okay. Hold on. Let me see the chat. Where is that? Let me close
well,
it.
if you type it in the window, if you type it in the window, I can
All right. So
I can zoom on your display.
oh, okay, sure. Then let me find out for you right away. Okay. So this
Okay.
module and let me show you right here. say it's how to warm right away. Okay, let me find out. Okay. So what happened is this. Can you see this right now?
Yeah, I
Can
could see that.
Okay, sorry. So share. So actually, when you go to install that, you click app, and you need to click the you need to type this URL. So I am going to put this URL in the chat room. Okay, so that's you can copy paste easier. Okay, so let me go to my chat right here, but I don't know where's it.
No,
Okay,
yeah, you typed it in. So you want me to just
yeah. You need to type in that. Then so expand it. Then they say word wrap. They say yes, and then we can word wrap. Cause
okay? So
yeah,
what do you want to call it? It's asking for a name.
no name. You don't need to do name. It's just Windows. No name. Don't worry about. Or don't need to do the name. You just give just provide this thing. Just just
Okay.
say yeah. Just type that URL, and I put the URL in the text right in the chat room, so you can actually copy from the chat room.
Yeah, it's coming down now. It's
Mm-hmm.
down.
Yeah.
So then select on that. Okay, so then I have it selected. Shows word wrap.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
I leave. You want
They
to go back to the? You want to go back to the other clips?
yeah.
Uh,
Then they will ask you to reset. Is that right? So you say yeah, fine.
no, because I don't have that. Which
Oh,
go back to install that
oh,
software.
okay. Go
Or
back.
yeah, where your
Oh,
Eclipse.
okay. Go back to Eclipse, right? Go back to Eclipse, right?
No, yeah, I mean you go back to Eclipse,
Okay,
yeah,
I go back to my Eclipse. So I
and
go
then
back to Eclipse, then I go back to
install.
install new software, right? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I just want to
So
make sure because
all
so
right,
right there
all
I
right.
only have the only thing that's not checked is show only software
So
application.
I add right here. When I add here, don't worry about name. Okay, just Control V right here,
Uh huh.
then add and add. When you add, it's word wrap. You see that? Check it.
Yeah, I got that. I got that.
Then you check it. Okay, and just add. No, don't worry right now. Okay, check and I think what do I do that? Then check.
Just do I click add or I mean or click next on the
You
bottom?
where's the next? You click next because I already have. You see, yeah, you click
Okay, so
next.
I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
And the other thing, so my boxes,
Uh-huh.
everything's checked on the lower left hand corner except show only software applicable to target environment. Do you want all those boxes checked?
Yeah, all my boxes checked. Yeah, yeah.
Because no, because by default there's two boxes aren't checked right there on my program. So do you want me to check them all?
Sure. Yeah, I don't know. I've been doing this for time and
Okay.
smoothly. Maybe check that. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Because when I checked that one that wasn't checked,
Mm-mm-mm.
the feature came another configuration showed up.
And
Okay. So
then
next.
you click it. Yeah. All right. So
Okay.
it will
So now
now ask you to reset. You say okay, right?
no, it's asking me accept terms and all that first.
Okay. Then do that.
It's running now.
Yeah, yeah. And that's it.
This use some software that's considered as software. Do you want to continuously? Yes. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You want to restart now?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah. Take a while only. This one is good. Ooh, 2 seconds or 5 seconds.
Okay. So I restarted. It came back to the page now.
Yeah, yeah, and that's it. You can word wrap right now. Don't worry. That's it.
Okay. So I want to get rid of those because I created those tests.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Then get rid of those. Okay? Get rid of all these things.
Can you just delete it from here, or do you have to delete it from?
Yeah, you can
Where do you?
do. You can delete it right here. Oh, you mean here? This thing. You just okay. Here. You can go. It is the default in the Eclipse. Okay, its default uh go to C drive. Okay, so go to C drive. Eclipse is go to C drive. So go to C drive. Let me see my C drive. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
I have
Yeah, these goes program files.
yeah. No problem. Don't worry. Hold on. As long as I find out my C drive. Hold on. I have too many things. Okay. All right. So you are going to Eclipse. Okay. Let's go to Eclipse. Eclipse. You go to your C drive, and you go to your user. User. You see user.
Yeah.
Okay. And whatever instructor something like that. Then you will see Eclipse usually go Eclipse you usually go to uh, here
Basic.
Eclipse workspace. Eclipse is go to Eclipse workspace. You see that?
No, I don't see that.
Hold on. At C drive, C drive. Okay.
Yeah, I went to see users and then the profile I'm logged into, but then
Then
let's see.
then then go to user. Then go to whatever you go into that. Like
Yeah, my file and then no, I don't see Eclipse. Oh, I see workspace. Okay, it's
yeah,
called
open.
workspace.
Yeah, then you delete everything inside. You should not have anything from there. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. All right. Now let's go to Visual Studio. Let's go Visual Studio. Okay.
Okay.
Visual Studio. Visual Studio. You also C drive. Also C drive. C drive. Okay. Then also user. All right. And also whatever file you goes to. Then usually go to source. Source. SORCE. Yes, also source. And usually go repos and delete anything from there.
Okay, so anything in repos you delete.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on. Let me just make sure.
Because anything in repo is what student and I will create. And IT will usually reset this, delete all this every time the student go away because every day they create a lot of junk. Okay, so that's it.
And the other one, hold on.
And Android Studio. Android Studio, I don't have, but that's the same thing. I don't have on this machine, but it's the same thing. I'll show you. You go C drive. You go C drive, okay? C drive. Sorry. You go C drive. Where's my C drive right now?
Yeah, I found it. It's Android Studio projects.
That's right. Go in
Everything else
Android
is
and
that.
delete anything from there. That's it. Okay.
It was all deleted.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so that's done.
Okay. That's it, right?
So everything should be
Okay, now. Otherwise, I'll email you next time we meet. How about that?
yeah. Let's see. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
in the Visual Studio, that's all you need with that C++,
Uh-huh.
all those uh,
Mm-hmm.
.NET and
Done. Yeah. Yeah. Mm.
okay. So let me work on the image. I'm gonna capture and then I'm gonna test it and put it on a another blank PC.
Oh,
Let me see.
okay. And here, I already